Hey everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. And yes, I got a number 3 here. Doll number 3 from the Rainbow High Dolls. I got another one. Again, she was on sale. I got her off Amazon. I think she was like 34% off or something like that. So, you know, dark-skinned girls, I just can't resist them. So, yeah, this is Phaedra Westward. She has a cosmetology focus. They don't really have anything else on the boxes about these dolls. You have to look them up online or watch their YouTube show. But yeah, so far I've gotten Haley, I've gotten Margot, and now this is Phaedra. I do have plans to get this guy if I manage to get him on sale. These other 3 girls are kind of, we shall see. But I'm not going to require myself to collect all of the Rainbow High groups, you know? Like, so if I don't have this whole Pacific Coast group, I'm okay with that. I'm really picking dolls that I like that are on sale. I swear. Okay, you heard it here first. All right, I'm going to get her out of the box, which you know is going to take a while because of all the tabby things that are probably permeating this box, and we'll get a look at her up close here. I'm very curious about that hair. I got everything out of the packaging. Gorgeous doll. Interesting, I messed up my manicure. So this cosmetology girl made me mess up my manicure while I was getting her out of the box. Oh my goodness. So like the other dolls, and this time, by the way, I was really careful and looked for the comb. Because I thought they were all supposed to have combs, but yeah, definitely no comb with the Pacific High dollies, okay? Which is fine, not a big deal, but it just seems odd, especially, I mean, she does have some gorgeous hair, so why some dolls have combs and some don't, I don't really know. Real quickly, like the other dolls, she's actually in high heel feet, and she has flat feet. So she's like the other Pacific Coast dolls. She has extra legs, so she can wear heels or flat shoes. All right. She also has sunglasses. These are kind of cool looking. She's got like a purpley, I mean, there's other colors here, but obviously purple is in a main color, purple and pink. So, Malibu, my Blythe Malibu, she might steal this. Boy, I'd like to have an extra one of these. This would be cool if they just sold these little towels, huh? Alright, so we've got the towel. We've got a stand. Another stand, which is, again, very nice considering the price point of these dolls. And it does have, I don't know if it's showing up or not, but it has some sparkle. It's pink with this kind of sparkly. Very subtle. It's much more obvious in person. And then, again, she has her beach tote. This beach tote I like. Some of them, I think it was Haley Capri, or Haley Capri. I was not keen on her handles. I do like Margot's beach tote, and I have to say I do like this beach tote. It's not too bad. Pretty cute. Very functional. It's kind of mirror, rainbowish mirror on the inside, and I think it will work well. I have to put something in it to make it stand up, but anyway, for photos it would definitely work well. Alright, let's look more carefully at the doll. She has a visor, which again is probably, yeah, it's got the tabby things, so if I want to take it off I have to take the tabs off. And she's got real scrunchies, so these just slip on and off. There's no tabs on there. Her hair is super soft for the most part. It's odd. It's like it's really soft here, and then right and just down here some spots. It's kind of stiff from, you know, the product that they stick in there. You can kind of see that. So I don't know if she's just going to need a comb or not. More than likely, now that I have 3 of these dolls, I will probably just boil up some water and do a quick dunk on all 3. Hallie has real issues for her hair, but the other 2 dolls don't seem to be too bad. So probably just a super quick dunk in some warm water. And boy, they did a really good job with this. I will probably keep her hair in ponytails because I like the look. I like how the back of her head looks. And a lot of times with these long-haired dolls, I tend to put their hair up anyway and get it out of the way. So may as well just keep it there. They have these beautiful eyelashes. I would say that's one detail on these dolls that is pretty impressive, is that they have actual inset eyelashes. You know, you don't see that a lot with Playline dolls. She's got the baby hairs. I love the coloring. I just love her coloring, all of it. This is interesting. So she has this little, this is a faux zipper. It doesn't actually open. You know, it's Velcro in the back to take it off. And this little thing is also Velcroed. Her little beach cover-up. So this is faux, but what's odd is, I mean, I think that's supposed to be an R, but it looks backwards to me, like, I think it's supposed to be like that, but the way it's stitched on is backwards. But I probably won't be having her in her bathing suit all of the time. This is a cute bathing suit, I have to say. It fits her really nicely. It's very cute. She also has some cute shoes, though. I did notice one has some, I don't know what that is. It looks like it's been scratched or something. So that's kind of a bummer. But they both say rainbow. She is so pretty. Yeah. Oh my gosh. What nice dolls, yeah. Oh, she's got, oh, she has her, okay, so her manicure is all different colors. See, like, that's detail there. That's somebody's paying attention and thinking over the design of these dolls. So, yeah, that's impressive. You got me, Rainbow High. You got me. You know, nice articulation. Very similar in size and shape to Blythe dolls, which are my first love. So they're a good fashion doll. Yeah, she's cute. Oh my gosh. Well made. Again, a hefty doll. Chunky, you know, heavy doll. Not light plastic or anything like that. Very well articulated. I mean, wow. Even up the upper thighs. I don't know if you can move them around. So, yeah, I've been really getting impressed. I've been really, really impressed with these dolls, I have to say. And I do have some more on my list. I'm just waiting for those sales, folks. Waiting for the sales. Yeah, I just don't imagine me, unless somebody wanted to send me the dolls for free and have me review them early on, you probably won't be seeing new Rainbow High dolls. I know at this point there's some coming out. I believe there's some Diva dolls that look super interesting to me. And what was the other one? There's another one where they're like neon, which isn't really my cup of tea necessarily, but they do look interesting. But definitely the Diva dolls have piqued my interest. But I will be waiting. It's maybe in a few months when the Diva dolls have come and gone, and Rainbow High has another set of another group of dolls out. And Amazon has them on sale, then I might get one. But otherwise, yeah, Phaedra looks so pretty. And she's going to look really good with the other gals. You know, one thing I did hesitate with her as far as my collection, I like to take photographs and include them in, you know, collabs and stuff like that. And I was afraid that she might not photograph that well because of her dark complexion. But, you know, with her eyes and this... the color around her hair up here, around the scalp and everything. But her face up, I mean, I think it does kind of pop more than I had anticipated. So that is good. I mean, I ended up just like, I just want her anyway. All right. She's so pretty and I love the color scheme. So, alrighty, that's it for real. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. As usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Yeah, boo-hoo. And as usual, have a wonderful Dolly Day. Oh, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye-bye. Well, I was just taking some photos of her, and I noticed, don't get too close, her mouth seems a little weird, and it looks like there's like a little flaw right here in her lipstick. And right here it's a little uneven. And I don't think I can get, yeah, it's not, like that is a defect. Well, that's kind of sucky. Wah, wah, wah. I wonder if I can fix that with something. Some paint maybe? I don't know. Yikers. Has anybody touched up these dolls before? I'm still learning how to customize Blythe dolls, so I don't want to go start customizing, you know, Rainbow High dolls for sure. I'm not ready for that yet, but dang it. Yeah. I'd like to see if I can fix that somehow. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below, folks. Otherwise, yeah, this is for real. Bye-bye.